Have you ever found yourself lingering on the edge of your bed in the morning, gathering the strength just to stand up? Maybe your legs feel a bit less steady than before. Your arms seem to need more effort to lift, and your pace has slowed. Not because of pain, but because your body just doesn't feel as robust as it once did. If this resonates, you're far from alone. Muscle weakness creeping in as we age is a natural process, especially beyond 60. It's often called sarcopenia, a gradual decline in muscle mass and function. But here's the kicker. It's not just about getting older. It's about how well we nourish and care for our bodies each day and night. What if I told you that some of the best muscle repair happens while you're sleeping? Yes, while you're resting, your body is hard at work rebuilding and healing your muscles, but only if you provide it with the right nutrients beforehand. Today, we're going to explore 5 surprisingly simple natural foods that you can enjoy before bedtime to help fight muscle loss, boost recovery, and wake up feeling stronger and more energized. And trust me, one of these is just a tiny spoonful, but it packs a powerful punch. Before we get started, if you want to keep your strength intact as you age, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below, telling me if you have a favorite bedtime snack that helps you feel better in the morning. Let's start with something fresh and often underestimated: the kiwi. Most of us think of kiwi as a refreshing treat in fruit salads or smoothies, but eating 2 kiwis about an hour before bed can work wonders for your sleep quality and muscle recovery. Let me share a story. George, a 74-year-old retired teacher, told me how his nights used to be restless and his mornings stiff. After adding kiwis to his nightly routine, he found himself falling asleep faster and waking up feeling lighter, more rested and stronger. Why? Kiwi naturally contains melatonin, the hormone that signals your brain it's time to sleep. Unlike supplements, kiwi's melatonin is gentle and food-based, improving your sleep cycles. Better sleep means your muscles get more time to repair and rebuild. Plus, kiwis are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which reduce inflammation and oxidative damage, common culprits behind muscle stiffness and soreness. They're also packed with potassium, helping prevent those dreaded nighttime leg cramps. Best part, kiwi's low glycemic index and low sodium content make it an ideal nighttime snack for people managing blood sugar or blood pressure. Next up, eggs. You might think of eggs as breakfast only, but having a soft-boiled or poached egg before bed can significantly aid muscle repair overnight. Eggs provide a complete protein, meaning they have all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild muscle, especially leucine, a key amino acid that activates muscle growth. As we age, our muscles become less sensitive to protein, so we need higher quality sources. One egg offers enough leucine to send a clear message to your body: it's time to rebuild. Eggs also bring vitamin D to the table, which supports muscle function and coordination, a nutrient many seniors lack. Add choline, which helps brain and nerve health, and you've got a powerful muscle and movement aid. Concerned about cholesterol? Studies show that moderate egg consumption, about 1 per day, doesn't increase heart risk for most people and might even improve your good cholesterol. The trick is how you prepare them. Gentle cooking methods like poaching or soft boiling preserve nutrients and make eggs easy to digest and chew, perfect for sensitive stomachs and seniors. Now, let's talk about a small but mighty seed: pumpkin seeds. Often overlooked, these tiny green gems are a powerhouse of magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles relax. Meet Harold, a 72-year-old gardener who suffered from morning leg tightness despite getting plenty of sleep. By adding a small handful of pumpkin seeds to his evening routine, he noticed his muscles relaxed better overnight. Magnesium deficiency can cause muscles to remain tense, leading to soreness and stiffness, even after hours of rest. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid your body turns into serotonin and melatonin, improving sleep quality. Combined, magnesium and tryptophan create a double effect that enhances restful sleep, promoting better muscle repair. Pumpkin seeds also deliver plant-based protein and healthy fats, offering a slow release of nutrients during the night, exactly what aging muscles need. To enjoy them, have just a tablespoon or 2 plain or sprinkled over a bit of unsweetened Greek yogurt. Avoid salted varieties to protect blood pressure. Finally, the unsung hero: cottage cheese. This simple, creamy dairy product contains casein protein, which digests slowly and releases amino acids steadily throughout the night. Why does that matter? While you sleep, your muscles need a continuous supply of building blocks. Without them, your body might break down muscle tissue for energy. The last thing you want after 60. Cottage cheese keeps your muscles fed quietly and efficiently, supporting repair and growth while you rest. Martha, a 76-year-old friend, noticed improved strength and energy after adding a small bowl of low-fat cottage cheese before bed. It's also low in carbs, making it a smart choice for blood sugar control, and choosing low-sodium, low-fat versions keeps it heart-friendly. If you're worried about taste or texture, mix it with a little cinnamon or some leftover kiwi for a tasty and nutritious treat. You don't have to overhaul your life to maintain muscle strength after 60. Small, consistent choices like these bedtime foods can profoundly impact your muscle health and overall vitality. Think of peeling a kiwi, boiling an egg, nibbling some pumpkin seeds, or spooning cottage cheese as simple, loving acts toward your future self. With every quiet night routine, you remind your body that strength is still possible and muscle loss isn't inevitable. If this video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite bedtime snack in the comments. Your story might motivate someone else on their journey. Until next time, sleep well, nourish gently, and wake up stronger. You deserve it. The video is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Please consult a doctor if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication.